For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi launched fresh attack on Narendra Modi over Rafale fighter jet deal. Rahul's attack comes after a media report claimed that information regarding offset contracts was not shared by the Ministry of Defence with Comptroller and Auditor General. Rahul Gandhi said that money was stolen from the Indian exchequer. Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter to target Modi government over the Rafale fighter jet deal. Money was stolen from the Indian exchequer in Rafale. Truth is one, paths are many. Mahatma Gandhi. The media report claimed that the Ministry of Defence did not share details of offset contracts with the Comptroller and Auditor General. The report claimed that Ministry of Defence told CAG that Dassault Aviation, the makers of Rafale, will share the details of offset contract 3 years after the deal. Rahul Gandhi tagged the media report in his tweet to criticize the Modi government. The Modi government had signed a 59,000 crore rupees deal with French company Dassault Aviation in September 2016 to purchase 36 Rafale fighter jets. India received the first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets last month. Rahul Gandhi had been targeting Modi government and industrialist Anil Ambani, alleging quid pro quo in Rafale deal. Rahul accused Modi government of helping Anil Ambani's Reliance Defence clinch offset contract with Dassault. The Wayanad MP accused Modi government of favouring Anil Ambani's Reliance Defence over Bengaluru-based HAL. He said Defence Public Sector Unit HAL was denied a crucial contract and jobs denied to hundreds of its employees. Rahul further chided Modi, saying that the Prime Minister seemed to have more trust in the ability of his industrialist friend's company than the government-owned HAL. He accused Modi of putting Indian taxpayers' money into Anil Ambani's pocket. Rafale deal was one of the main political planks of Rahul Gandhi in the run-up to the 2019 general elections. However, the Rafale issue did not find traction with the electorate in 2019 general elections. BJP mocked Rahul Gandhi by affirming that his Rafale allegations were hollow as voters rejected his claims. Many of Rahul Gandhi's Congress colleagues confide in private that Rahul's obsession with Rafale to wash off his father's sins is damaging the party. But if someone is wanting to self-destruct, who are we to complain? We invite him to fight 2024 elections on Rafale. The central government and Anil Ambani strongly denied Rahul Gandhi's allegations. The government said it had no role to play in offset contracts and Dassault chose Reliance on its own.